Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're taking a ride back to the golden era of German automotive engineering with one of Mercedes-Benz's finest sedans of the 1970s, the 1977 Mercedes-Benz 450 SE. A luxury car with the heart of a V8 and the refinement only Mercedes could deliver. Let's take a closer look. Exterior. The 450 SE is part of the legendary W116 series, the first model line officially designated as the S-Class. Introduced in the early 70s, this design was revolutionary, bold, confident, and unmistakably Mercedes. Up front, you've got the iconic chrome grille with the proud three-pointed star standing tall. The stacked headlights, wide rectangular signal lights, and clean body lines speak to the luxury and precision engineering of the era. This car is long, just over 16 feet, with an imposing stance and a subtle elegance. Chrome trim lines the windows and bumpers, while the 14-inch bunt alloy wheels were an upscale option back in the day. Every angle of the 450 SE was designed for presence. Even 40-plus years later, this car still turns heads. Interior. Inside, the 450 SE is a time capsule of 1970s luxury. The cabin is finished in real wood trim, high-quality plastics, and some of the most comfortable leather or MB-Tex seats ever made. Everything is solid. You won't find rattles or loose panels here. Mercedes built this to last. You get a large, thin-rimmed steering wheel, elegant analog gauges, and a dashboard that wraps slightly around the driver, advanced for its time. The center console features simple climate controls, a Becker radio, and, depending on the spec, even a factory-fitted air conditioning system. Rear passengers aren't left out either. Legroom is generous, and the ride quality is limo smooth. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Performance. Under the hood lies a 4.5-liter V8 engine, producing 180 horsepower and around 240 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the 450 SE was capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10 seconds, respectable for its time and class. This engine isn't just about speed, it's about smooth, effortless power delivery. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the 450 SE handles it all with grace. The W116 chassis introduced innovations like ABS brakes in later years and a double wishbone front suspension. Ride comfort is superb, and handling, while not sporty, is stable and predictable. It's a true grand tourer. Fuel economy. Not great, expect around 10 to 13 mpg. But remember, you didn't buy a 450 SE for economy, you bought it for refinement. The 1977 Mercedes-Benz 450 SE isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. It represented the peak of engineering and luxury in its time, and it still stands as a benchmark for build quality and timeless design. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates craftsmanship, the 450 SE is a rewarding machine. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you'd love to own one of these V8 beauties. Until next time, keep driving class.